Did you know that hiccups have been puzzling humans for centuries? They occur when your diaphragm spasms involuntarily, making you gulp air and creating that distinctive hic sound. But here's a fun twist. Some scientists believe they may be a remnant from our evolutionary past. It's thought that early mammals used this reflex to help suckle more effectively, or even as a way to breathe underwater. While most hiccups go away in just minutes, some can last much longer. The record for chronic hiccups is held by Charles Osborne, who experienced them for 68 years. So next time you're struck with the hiccups, remember it might be an ancient quirk of your body trying to communicate something far older than any of us.